will now unveil the inaugural plate of the conference.
Join Shillong in the smart city. So with that, now we are inaugurating one of the bigger projects. This is another project, 200 crores business center, which is under construction, and we are 1 year this will be ready. This is the integrated command and control center. This is the actual picture. This is complete. So this is where, ma'am, we have got the entire smart city screen and all the the videos which gets been controlled. So all the cameras and everything. So and this is where the state data center also is going to come up. So this is the riverfront, ma'am. Just behind is the river. We are developing. This is the Saski project. We are developing the riverfront. So these are the sports hostels we plan to build for the national games. This is all our sports area. This is called the Polo area, which is where the entire sports complex is. No, ma'am, not yet. So that
Complex and the way forward.
A new era dawns in Shillong as we proudly 1.26 acres with a total build-up area of stack parking in the ground floor to accommodate 86 vehicles. The complex is equipped with 12 escalators and 5 lifts, ensuring smooth movement across all levels. Safety remains paramount, and with 5 emergency exits and comprehensive firefighting system, 110 security cameras to monitor the premises discreetly yet effectively.